in our last video, as you have seen, that we are unable to connect it to our server for sign up when we do the API postman by postman. We are trying to post this data in our controller, but here the connection refused. And we also, when started, our server is running on port 5001, which was defined in our db.js, which is MongoDB connected. Okay, so actually the connection server is running on port, which we can say in index.js, we can say that it is running on port 5001. But when it is trying to connect to DB, we see that there is a glitch wherein the error is coming for after server is running on port. So in this video, we will discuss that why our Node.js application is crashes after this error. See, if you can see server is running on port this, and after this, when we call the connect DB method, it is throwing an error. So basically, we'll discuss on this type of error which we found that Mongo server selection error. Okay, so for this, what we will do, we have followed a Stack Overflow article wherein we would be able to manage it, like how they have given it and how we will solve this problem. So here we can see that the when we check this error, they say that it is not able to connect to any of the servers. So what basically we'll do, we will go to a MongoDB console, and where we have created a chat app, a project where we have created, and beyond that we have created a chat app, which is our database in this part, which we have created a cluster of 01, cluster of 0. Okay, then we will, if we'll go to network access, means here we will click on network access, and this window will okay. Now, when what we have done, we have made this active. Before it, the setting was another, but we have allowed this access entry list in the IP address. Means it you would be able to allow it from any kind of IP address. So now it has been active and it's created as a part of auto setup process. Now we'll again restart this server, Node.js server, and let's check. And our Stack Overflow document also says that you can allow the network IP from anywhere, means from the network access you will go and set up the IP address as 000. Okay, so in that way we have restarted our server. I will do again, and control C I will do. I will terminate this job, and I will do again npm run dev, and make sure that you are in the backend folder only when you run this command. Okay, if you are following this video, I hope it would be very helpful to you, because we are in the meantime, whatever error we are getting, we are trying to solve it. Okay, and in the meantime, if any this, see, the server is running on port 5001. Now we are coming up to here. Now let's say whether we are connecting to our MongoDB database or not. Okay, where after resetting the connection, after including the allow access from anywhere. Okay, so let's say this is our database, this is our cluster wherein we have created a chat app, and now we will doing through connecting through the connection string. So let's see here. Okay, great. So MongoDB connected with this cluster. And now this cluster you will see in our MongoDB console panel where we are connected with the clusters. Okay. So here you can see the connection string. This is loading the project. Okay, now if you will see here connect. Now our environment is the drivers, you can see Node.js. Okay, and you can click on done here. So when you see the environment in our clusters, you will see that there are the different monitoring solutions. We have different monitoring, we will see here. Okay, so which region we have connected? See, this is the region, because in our console we have connected this cluster in our MongoDB for our